This is type of drink you will love to sip on it whenever you are chilling with your friends at the beach side. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. Here are the 3 ingredients: orange, mint leaf and 7-up. I already washed the mint leaf and the orange. They are perfectly clean. I'll go ahead and slice the orange into small pieces. Go ahead and pluck out the mint leaf out of the stem. We don't need the stem, we only need the leaf, alright? Pluck the amount that you need. There is no measurement for it. Time to put our drink together. Set up your glass, transfer the mint leaf into the glass. Go ahead and add the slice of orange and fill it up with the 7-up. Allow the drink to infuse for 5 minutes before you go ahead and sip on it, and trust me, this is so refreshing, especially if you make it with the chill 7-up. You will come back here to thank me later. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.